It lives again. It's a replacement screen from China. The one I broke. That's some YouTuber too. They didn't even really want to help or anything. They're like, oh, tough luck. That wasn't nice. A little worn out case here. It does work. I do have a was it TFT screen as well. I was gonna put on, but you got to take the original thing out because it's smaller. I don't know. I'm definitely not gonna try to backlight this one because backlight's shitty anyway. It was cool, but you wind up breaking these things unless you take it apart, and I don't know how to do that yet. So I never said this, playing this game brought back a whole bunch of memories that I haven't been crossed my mind since I was a child, like taking rides to New York City or something. But it was on a DMG like that. That was the one I fixed up that was yellow. Everything in this box is filthy again. And if I didn't make the video before, or tell you, with this lot, about a week before I found all this stuff, I messed up. I didn't know what it was. I found a pearl pink Nintendo DS, was it? The clamshell version one. And I threw it back in the trash because the screen is very, very mangled on it. And I probably would have been able to fix it. It was pearl pink and I could have put a different case on it. But I threw it back in the trash and that thing was worth. I didn't even know what it was. All the labels are torn off on it. Nothing even said Nintendo on the top and the bottom. It was in really, really bad shape, but probably I could have fixed it. And I regret that went into the trash, but it happens. I saved these ones though. And I put a new screen on it. I really don't like this screen. I kind of want a light up screen, but I do have the kit. I might put it on. I don't know. I just have to carefully remove this OEM plastic lens. That's cool though. I was on the wit's end. I was almost about to give up on this thing and just throw it in the trash. I was going to buy a parts unit, but this actually worked out better. And the time it took to, let's just say, yeah, something happened with the, I don't know. I was waiting a very long time for this. Alright, let's go before we run out of time. Basically, people are idiots because objects bring back memories. So don't get rid of the object or else you're going to lose the memory. But so many people do just that. They get rid of the object and history is gone. They give it up. They replace it with something worse. Something shitty. When they should have just kept something small or large. That history. It's something someone bought, something a present, something that was given to you. Maybe not, you don't really think about it when you get it, but years from now, you kind of wish you still had it. Because that was the item. This isn't the item I had as a child, nor that one. I don't know where my Game Boy went. I really don't know where it went. Some say my sister might have had it, it might have melted, I don't know. Might have got thrown away. Might have got donated to Goodwill and all my games. I don't know. But that one's just funny because it's the crazy person's next door neighbors who gives us trouble. So that's why that one's special to me and I won't sell it. Yeah, keep your stuff. It's like my RC car. Got that 1997, I think. Still have it, 1996, 1997. Oh, Little Giant sent me ladder parts. But yeah, that was like, I do this every so often. It's fun for people at the pool again. But yeah, try to keep everything. Keep your vehicle, try to keep your house if you can. And get mad at the liberal agenda that's happening, like where I used to live. And the overall expense. Yeah, that little truck was brought home in this truck in the back. That's pretty cool. It's many years ago. This thing got plowed in the side about like 2 months ago by this guy. It's the oil can. It's really, really bad. I don't know if this crease is causing it or down there. It's strong. Even over there. I don't know what happened. Maybe if you get that crease out. I was thinking of paintless dent removal. Because if I can't get it out with paintless dent removal, I'm just leaving it and gonna look for a truck bed. Yeah, they destroyed their new bumper. I told myself, I'm out of here. I'm kind of still on that path. I'm not buying anything anymore. I'm really not fixing anything. And you'll see this in the future. Yeah, no car. It's so hot out here. Yeah, try to keep everything, because then you just wind up with a bunch of crap that's ruined. And you get old and you wonder where all your cool stuff went. Because you gave it up just to pay for expenses. Pay some stupid ass teacher at college that didn't freaking do anything. A waste of my time. Car school is good. But yeah, and really stand up and fight when you have these places. Right, see what's going on right now in this wild world. How the liberal agenda and the terrorist organization. Something got chipped over here. You see that? Over there and over there. Something hit that. Right there, right there. Well, oh, that they painted that, right? The shitty guy. Something hit that right there. They're trying to change everything and make it worse. You, the person, then you should be very mad about it, because then you can't afford where you used to live. Your whole life has to change. You're in a superheated climate like here. Surrounded by idiots. Some lady was yelling at kids yesterday at the pool. I gotta fix this thing. And you grow old and you wonder where all your cool stuff went. It's sad, because you don't have it anymore and the memory is gone. The memory is replaced with what's going on today, which is shit. Do I have any more? This spool is about 100 years old, and I don't even know if we're gonna have enough. Let's go, out of business. Sign of the times right there. How long was this? About 855 feet. Diameter, what is it? 0.095. Let's go. Used to go there with the old mower. I wish I still had the old mower, even if I had no room for it here. I wish I still had it. That thing was cool. Look at that. That's the end of the era right there. End of an era from the old house. End of an era. Yep. Don't get rid of your stuff, because it'll mean something later on. All I gotta say.